What is up, YouTube?
That's all you wanted to say.
Yeah. Tyler has decided that he wants to make a pot roast, which is pretty up there on the list of one of my least favorite meals, because I would rather have burgers and steak, or chicken fingers even. But he really wants to make this pot roast. He's been excited about it for a week. So we're gonna go grocery shopping. We're gonna show you guys how much fun we have together all the time.
Into a regular intro here. What up, guys? Welcome back to the Tyler Perry Drifting Drift YouTube channel. She's trying to take over, but she's got a little bit of work to do. I think this episode we're gonna have to call it the Tyler Perry Cooking Channel, or the TV Cooking.
Yeah, it's all about you.
You know, because it's not TV Drifting, it's TV Cooking. Which could also be you, Terry Berry Cooking, TB Cooking, TBB Cooking.
This TV don't be cooking much of anything ever though.
Anyways, we're heading over to the store. We're gonna grab some ingredients for a pot roast that I've been dying to make. I don't know if Terry's gonna like it, but we'll see. It's gonna be a little bit different video. There won't be a car involved except for the one that we are currently driving to the store.
This isn't a car.
Truck, sorry, the more manly vehicle. There will be no drifting either, except when we get to the store we will be drifting the buggy a little bit. Happens every time. But we're gonna go grab some ingredients. We're gonna head back to the house, and it'll be my first time making this in an Instant Pot. We got an Instant Pot. Actually, we got 3 Instant Pots for our wedding. So we'll be making this in an Instant Pot and seeing how that goes. Last time I did this, it took us a little less than 8 hours to make. This time it's supposed to take like an hour to an hour and a half to make. So we're gonna go grab some ingredients, head back to the house, and put this thing in the Instant Pot.
Oh, I forgot my sunglasses.
Totally just got you in there.
Negatory Ghost Riders.
Wow. Probably count how many times I've done that on one hand. Actually, I can't count that because 0 is not a number.
This is how millennials shop.
Huh? White or yellow?
Yellow.
Huh?
Yellow. TB drifting yellow.
Get a small one.
Ouch, Charlie.
Gotta get the Mac.
Ew.
Ooh, baby.
What is that?
Broccoli.
Broccoli.
Over here. Over here. Where's the shells in this place? Noodles! Elbow. What is that?
A nest.
For what?
I don't know. What would you ever make with that? But look how cute they are. You put a little meatball.
That's for the birds.
What you shopping for?
Chuck roast?
Meat.
How do you know if it's a chuck roast? This is a Boston butt pork roast.
Do it for the vine. What's it mean when it says touch AF canceled?
Touch a fart, it's canceled. Got it.
Wanna have fun.
Our
girls.
girl at Blue Bonnet will do us good.
Wanna have.
Block of cheese if you just use.
I don't want Velveeta.
It's liquid dough.
Tyler, put it down and move on.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Gotta unlock it first. Yo. Get the unloading.
Bye-bye.
Unload it. If you do it really fast, I'll cook you a pot roast. Faster! That was so slow. Alright guys, so we got our ingredients. They're back there in the back. Time to, this woman right here wants to be extra bougie and she can't drink a bottled drink. So we have to go to a drive-thru and get her a fountain drink. She also doesn't like them from a Weigel's or a gas station for some reason, because you have to actually get out of the car to go get it. So she wants...
Post in the comments if you agree that a fountain beverage is better than a bottled beverage.
Disagree. Like a rock. Ooh,
What
like
if
a
we
rock.
invited everyone over for pot roast, but we really just got a big, huge thing of chicken from Chick-fil-A and put it on our plates? Yeah.
It's not a pot roast.
What can I get for you?
I just need a large Coke and a large Diet Coke.
A large Coke and a large Diet Coke?
Yes.
Alright, so be 413. It's my pleasure to refill it there.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Hoping I catch her slipping.
It's not a thing. You just picked your nose on national television.
You on it?
Yeah. You're going so fast. Jeez.
Do 45 and a 30.
Look how beautiful the land we live in is. What a beautiful place.
Don't tell people where we live. I'm gonna bleep that out. Don't need none of my fans coming and stepping on my yard.
He thinks he has some
I won't after this video. Like, oh my gosh, this Tyler Berry guy used to be a great drifter, but now he just cooks all the time and has a cooking show, and he's actually horrible at that too.
People can't say if you're horrible. Oh my golly.
Just
People
did a maneuver.
can't say if you're horrible. It's called a manji.
That was not a manji.
It was.
What's a manji?
It's when you're going forward, but you go left and right too.
Sure.
You know I'm right. I heard him say it on the show earlier.
She does not look old enough to have 3 children.
Wow, I'm sure she really appreciates that. Do you want her phone number?
No, her husband probably wouldn't like that too much.
Yeah. He makes fun of me, but he still does what I want him to do.
What?
Hence the Chick-fil-A cups. Thanks, babe.
So we is back to the house. Now time to clean some dishes, I guess. From where we made some drinks. Frozen drinks. You got the crock pot.
Thanks, Mel Nancy.
Oh, or our instant pot, rather. I'll set it up over here. So here's all the stuff that we got to make our dinner tonight. I couldn't tell you how much of this you need, because I literally read straight from a recipe right here on my phone whenever I cook, no matter what it is, even if I'm making cereal. Terry is going to be on macaroni duty and default. Oh my gosh. She just ate a raw macaroni noodle. I'm gonna go ahead and start on the pre-roast stuff. There's some things you have to do to prepare everything else before you put the roast in, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll get started on the roast. So I'm kind of taking a little bit of an extra step here. It said that this is optional, but you basically put the oil down on the bottom. Once it gets warm, put the meat in there, cook it on both sides for 5 minutes, and it's supposed to bring out the flavor in the meat a little bit more. And then once this gets done, we're gonna transfer all the meat over to our foil, wrap it up so that it stays warm while we add all the rest of the ingredients, and then throw the meat on top of all the other ingredients. And then it'll be time to pressure cook it. Meanwhile, Terry's over here cooking up some bomb mac and cheese. You ever done this before? No? Okay.
I don't.
She really doesn't.
But here we are.
So I was kind of in a hurry to get everything in here because we got people coming over to eat this with us, but you can't see because of all the meat, but I put everything down in underneath there and then put the butter on last and then the meat on after that. Now, this bad boy, lock it. Pressure cooker, 1 hour, Lego. And now the kitchen's a mess. Terry's mac and cheese looking fire. She's about to add some more cheese. You can never have too much cheese. And she's gonna bake it for a little bit. And we're gonna have some baked mac and cheese to go along with our roast. So this is gonna take about an hour, and then it's gonna be ready, and I'll let you guys see what it looks like when we're done. I kinda wanna eat one of these pepperoncinis. I'm going to eat one. They're all baby ones though.
You finna cry on television?
Finna cry! I got a Lord's chicken drink waiting for me whenever I get done.
You're welcome. How much cheese is enough cheese?
There's never enough.
Agreed.
These peppers are good.
Woo-wee, you're gonna love it for sure. An excellent source of calcium.
What?
Baked macaroni.
Baked macaroni. So now we just sit on the couch and wait for our dishes to be done. Well, they won't do themselves, but I mean the dishes, like the pot roast and the mac and cheese, not the dishes. 'Cause
Hannah wants to say hi.
we both know that I'll be doing the dishes.
Hannah!
This is tandem. I don't know if you guys have properly been introduced. Tandem. Alright, let's sit and chill.
1 hour later.
Woo! The beeper just went off after waiting. And now it's got 0 minutes. So we have to let it sit here and kind of naturally steam without actually hitting this and letting it steam by releasing all of it at one time. Supposed to let it sit here for about 10 or 15 minutes, and then we can hit the button and let all the steam out and open it, and we're good to go. Terry's macaroni is in here and it looks fire! I don't know which one I'm more excited to eat. Which one are you more excited about eating?
Oh, the macaroni.
Terry's parents are almost here. They had stopped by the store. They went to go get some biscuits, and then they're gonna be over here, and once they get over here, we will chow down. Do it for Dale. And the moment of truth. Ooh, baby. Mmm. Mmm. Looks so good. And it smells so good. Mmm. Now the question is if Terry is actually gonna like it, 'cause she doesn't like grandpa food. She likes going to cookout and getting a cookout tray. So as you guys can tell, the pot roast came out amazing. We didn't really get a chance to video it or take pictures of it while it was on people's plates, because as soon as they got here, we started eating, devouring it, and there was nothing left for pictures. This video was kind of a bit of change of pace for the TB Drifting channel. I know it's irrelevant to drifting at all, but it kind of gives you just a day in the life of what we do just on our days off, and we can just go have fun and enjoy it. So if you guys like it, be sure and leave some comments down below. If you haven't already, be sure and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you're notified anytime anything is uploaded to the TB Drifting YouTube channel. But until next time, we'll see you later.